The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 0800 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Bradford-on-Avon, Freshford, Bath Spa, Oldfield Park, Keynsham and Bristol Temple Meads, where the train divides. Please make sure you travel in the correct part of the train. Please travel in the front coaches of the train for Filton Abbey Wood, Newport and Cardiff Central. The rear coaches of the train will detach and terminate at Bristol Temple Meads. Platform 1 for the 0800 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads. Platform 1 for the 0824 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads via Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Bradford-on-Avon, Avon-Cliff, Freshford, Bath Spa, Oldfield Park, Keynsham and Bristol Temple Meads. This train will not be calling at Lawrence Hill, Stapleton Road, Filton Abbey Wood and Bristol Parkway today. This is due to a fault on this train. Platform 1 for the 0824 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads via Bristol Temple Meads. May I have your attention please? Please stand well clear of the platform edge. Platform 2 for the 0952 Great Western Railway service to Southampton Central, calling at Westbury, Dilton Marsh, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey and Southampton Central. This train has 3 coaches. Change at Southampton Central for a connecting bus service to Portsmouth Harbour. Dilton Marsh is a request stop and passengers for this station should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave. Please travel in the front coach if you wish to leave the train at Dilton Marsh. May I have your attention please on platform 1. We are sorry to announce that the 10:16 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central has been cancelled. This is due to overcrowding as this train has fewer coaches than normal. Passengers for Bradford-on-Avon, Bath Spa, Bristol Temple Meads and Filton Abbey Wood, your next fastest direct service is now expected to be the 10:44 to Gloucester via Bristol Temple Meads, departing from platform 1. Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services. We are sorry to announce that the 10:54 Great Western Railway service to Southampton Central is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. We are sorry to announce that the 10:44 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester via Bristol Temple Meads is delayed by approximately 19 minutes. This is due to a fault occurring when attaching a part of a train. May I have your attention please? Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding. Platform 2 for the 10:54 Great Western Railway service to Southampton Central, calling at Westbury, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey and Southampton Central. This train has 3 coaches. We regret that there are no seat reservations on this service. Platform 2 for the 10:54 Great Western Railway service to Southampton Central. Platform 1 for the 10:44 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester via Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Bradford-on-Avon, Avon-Cliff, Freshford, Bath Spa, Oldfield Park, Keynsham, Bristol Temple Meads, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Parkway, Yate, Cam and Dursley and Gloucester. This train has 3 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Avonscliff should board the front coach. We are sorry to announce that the 1706 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads via Bristol Temple Meads is delayed by approximately 83 minutes. This is due to a fault on this train. We may be able to compensate you. Visit our website gwr.com to find out how. May I have your attention please on platform 1. We are sorry to announce that the 1838 Great Western Railway service to Swindon has been cancelled. This is due to a shortage of train drivers. Passengers for Wiltshire, Chippenham and Swindon, your next fastest direct service is now expected to be the 1938 to Cheltenham Spa via Wiltshire, departing from platform 1. Platform 2 for the 1821 Great Western Railway service to Dorchester West, calling at Westbury, Frome, Bruton, Castle Carey, Yeovil Pen Mill, Thornford, Yetminster, Chetnole, Maiden Newton and Dorchester West. This train has 3 coaches. Thornford, Yetminster and Chetnole are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave. The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. The fast train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge and hold on to pushchairs and wheelchairs. We are sorry to announce that the 0800 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads is delayed by approximately 34 minutes. This is due to the train driver being taken ill. Platform 1 for the 0824 Great Western Railway service to Hilton Abbey Wood via Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Bradford on Avon, Avonscliff, Freshford, Bath Spa, Oldfield Park, Keynsham, Bristol Temple Meads, Lawrence Hill, Stapleton Road and Hilton Abbey Wood. This train will not be calling at Bristol Parkway today. This is due to a points failure. Platform 1 for the 0824 Great Western Railway service to Hilton Abbey Wood via Bristol Temple Meads. Platform 2 for the 0951 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour via Southampton Central, calling at Westbury, Warminster, Salisbury, Dean, Mottisfont and Tunbridge, Romsey, Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea and Portsmouth Harbour. Platform 1 for the 1058 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central, calling at Bath Spa and Cardiff Central. First class is at the rear, standard class is at the middle and front. Bicycle spaces are at the very front. We are sorry to announce that the 1116 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Parkway via Bristol Temple Meads is delayed. This is due to failure of the electricity supply. We are sorry to announce that the 1129 South Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads is delayed by approximately 12 minutes. Platform 2 for the 1812 Great Western Railway service to Brighton via Southampton Central, calling at Westbury, Dilton Marsh, Warminster, Salisbury, Romsey, Southampton Central, Fareham, Cosham, Havant, Chichester, Barnham, Worthing, Shoreham by Sea, Hove and Brighton. This train has 3 coaches. Dilton Marsh is a request stop. and passengers for this station should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave. Please travel in the front coach if you wish to leave the train at Dilton Marsh. We are sorry to announce that the 21:29 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth is delayed by approximately 10 minutes